Question 19, JAMB Mathematics. Find the equation of the straight line through 3, minus 1 and perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y equal to 3. Now, this question is a question on coordinate geometry. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, there is a condition for their slope. There is a condition that connects their slope together. And if two lines are parallel to each other, there is also a condition for their slope. Let's go for solution. Now, let's say one line is coming like this and the other is coming like this. The angle between them is 90 degrees. That means these two lines are perpendicular. But if the lines are like this, such that one is going in this direction and the other is going like this, these two lines are parallel, they can never meet. For this one, their slope, let's say the slope of the first one is m1 and the slope of the second one is m2. m1, m2 must give us minus 1. Or we make m1 or m2 the subject of formula. m2 will be equal to minus 1 over m1. Now, once we master this, it is very easy for us to solve this question. But for perpendicular lines, which we don't need, for parallel lines, which we don't need here, m1 must be equal to m2, but we don't need this one here. Now, we are given a line which is 2x plus 3y equal to 3. So if we make the slope of this to be m1, so first of all, we need to rewrite this equation in this general form, y equal to mx plus c. This is slope-intercept form of equation of a straight line. Now, let us rewrite this one like this. So we are making y the subject of formula. We have 3y equal to minus 2x plus 3. That is, if I move 2 to the other side, it becomes minus 2x. So divide through by 3. So we have y equal to minus 2x plus minus 2 over 3x. Divide through by 3. So if you divide this by 3, you have 1. So from here, if we compare this and this, we see that m, which represents the slope of this line, is the same thing as minus 2 over 3, because the coefficient of x is always the slope. So that means m1, which is the slope of the first line given, that will be m1 equal to minus 2 over 3. Now, how do we get the slope of the required line? So that means we can say the required line, the slope of it will be m2 equal to minus 1 over m1, that's minus 1 all over minus 2 over 3. First of all, minus cancel minus. 1 divided by a fraction, it will reciprocate the fraction. It will make numerator to come up. It will make denominator come up and numerator go down. So we have 3 over 2 in a sharp way. Now, let's continue from the next side. Now, in order to produce the equation of the line that is perpendicular to this and passing through this point, we are going to use this equation, y minus y1 equal to m bracket x minus x1. This equation represents equation of a straight line, gradient, and 1 point form. So the 1 point is x1 comma y1. This is the point that we are talking about, x1 comma y1, and that is the same as the given point from the question, which is 3 comma minus 1. It is easy for us to see that x1 equal to 3 here and y1 equal to minus 1. Let's use this inside this equation together with the slope that we have here, which is 3 over 2. So y minus y1, my y1 is minus 1, equal to m from here is 3 over 2. I have 3 over 2 bracket x minus x1, which is 3. So we can open this bracket to have y plus 1 equal to 3 over 2 bracket x minus 3. Now, a simple way to do this is to clear fraction by multiplying through by 2. Multiply y by 2, you have 2y, plus multiply 1 by 2, you have 2, equal to multiply this fraction by 2, you have 3. 2 we cancel 2, because 2 times 3 over 2 we cancel the 2. So we have no more fractions here, x minus 3. Now let's open this bracket. We have 2y plus 2 equal to 3x minus 9 by opening bracket. Now, from here, let us collect like terms. So let the ones with letters be on one side and the ones without letter should be on one side. Let's move this y to this side. So we have 2, moving this to this side, you have 2 plus 9 equal to 3x. Moving this to this side, you have minus 2y. So now 2 plus 9 will give me 11 equal to 3x minus 2y. Now, following this arrangement, we can rearrange this as 3x minus 2y equal to 11. If we check all of the options, we are going to see that the best option that satisfies this is option B. So, thank you for viewing this.